How to get rich in 2024. An actionable guide. 2024 should be the year you fix your finances once and for all. And for this, we have created a checklist for you to follow and to achieve your financial goals this year. Without sparing a moment, let's get right into it. The first step is to analyze your past year and create a vision for this year. What went well last year and what needs to be changed this year? Don't forget to dream big and ask yourself some questions. Ask yourself what your rich life is in 2024. What do you want your life to look like? The second step is to evaluate your spending. A conscious spending plan can help you save hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month while you still get to spend money on the areas you love. So this is where you get into the numbers and you decide how you're going to achieve your goals. Your conscious spending plan is basically your roadmap to your financial goals. The third step is to play simple and spend on the things that are important to you. This might take a little time figuring out what is more important, but this is crucial. Using the conscious spending plan template, when you fill in your numbers, your percentages will be automatically calculated for you. You should also make sure that your money is being invested. Don't just let it sit there. You can find the market which best suits your interest. And then, after analyzing the market trends, invest. Don't invest everything. And with this comes the fourth step, which is against the orthodox belief. Does saving help you make money? No, it doesn't. So, why should we save? Because it helps you to execute your plans. Save at least 5 to 10% of your pay, and this is how you will pay for family vacations, anything that you want. One savings goal you should always be working towards is saving 3 to 6 months of basic expenses in an emergency fund. It can be overwhelming, but it surely comes in handy at times. Apart from this, learn to spend guilt-free. Spend about 20 to 35% of your income on anything you want. But this will only work if the rest, 65 to 80%, is in the right place. Remember, the key is to have a proactive approach to your finances, regularly reviewing and optimizing your expenses, and taking advantage of opportunities to save and invest. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to achieving your financial goals and living a rich life in 2024. The last step is to make sure that your financial future is secure. This is to ensure that you have a strong safety net in place in case of unexpected events. Here are a few key steps that will help you secure your financial future. Having an emergency fund can be crucial. Make sure you have one that can cover 3 to 6 months of basic expenses. Despite being optimistic, you should never ignore the harsh realities of this world. Every one of us in our life has gone through a phase when we have no income resources. That does happen, and to minimize the effects of this phase, we should have an emergency fund that bears our expenses for a few months until we figure things out. This fund can also assist in cases of medical emergencies and car repairs, so make sure you have this. Review your health, auto, and home insurance coverage in case of unforeseen circumstances. Verify that you have enough coverage to protect yourself and your assets. Do consider estate planning. Create your will as soon as possible if you have not done so yet, and update it whenever you find the need to do so. Name beneficiaries and designate powers of attorney. This ensures that your assets are distributed according to your will and that someone you trust can make financial decisions on your behalf if needed. Assess your retirement savings and create long-term financial goals. If you haven't yet paved the path for this one, start immediately, or else all you can do is regret it later in your life. You should be learning continuously by being aware of market trends, investment strategies, and staying informed about personal finances. The more you know, the better equipped you are to make sound financial decisions. By following these 5 steps, you'll be on the path to financial wellness in 2024. Remember, taking control of your finances is an empowering journey, and the effort you invest now will pay off in the long run. If you have any specific questions or need further guidance on any aspect of your financial plan, feel free to ask. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button below. Bye for now.